In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fill a formula across a row in Excel. This is a simple but important skill because it saves time and keeps your calculations consistent across multiple cells. By the end, you will be able to enter one formula in a starting cell and then quickly copy it across a row using Excel's fill feature. First, you will click cell A3. Take a moment to locate the cell address in the grid, or look up at the name box above the spreadsheet. When you click A3, you are telling Excel exactly where you want the formula to appear. If A3 is not selected yet, just click it once, so the cell highlights. Next, you will type the formula =A1 plus A2. Be sure you type it exactly, including the equal sign at the beginning. The equal sign tells Excel that you are entering a formula, not just text. This specific formula adds the value in A1 to the value in A2. It is a good example of how relative cell references work, because as you copy the formula across, Excel will adjust the cell references to match the new columns. Now press Enter. After you press Enter, Excel calculates the result and displays it in cell A3. This is the moment to check that you see a number or the expected result. If something looks off, you can always click back into the cell and correct the formula, but in most cases, pressing Enter will immediately confirm that everything is working. After the result appears, click cell A3 again. This step may feel redundant, but it helps because you need the formula cell selected before you use the fill handle. When A3 is selected, you should see a border around the cell, and you are ready to extend the formula to other cells. Now hover over the bottom right corner of cell A3 until a black cross appears. This black cross is the fill handle. It is a small icon that appears when your mouse is positioned correctly, usually right at the corner of the highlighted cell. Move slowly and watch for the cursor to change to the black cross. This visual change matters because it tells you Excel recognizes that you want to copy or fill the contents. Once you see the black cross, drag across key 3. This means you will click and hold with the mouse while you drag from cell A3 across the row to the cell with the address ending in C3. As you drag, you should see Excel highlight the cells that will be filled. When you release the mouse button, Excel copies the formula into each of the selected cells across the row. Take a quick look at the cells you just filled to confirm the results. The key idea is that Excel intelligently updates the cell references as it copies the formula horizontally. So each filled cell uses the correct source cells in its own column, while maintaining the same structure of the calculation. This keeps everything accurate and ensures you do not have to retype the formula for every cell. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.